Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I will show you how to save your passwords using Google Password Manager on your Android phone. This way you won't forget your logins again, so let's get started. First, open Settings, scroll down and find this option called Google and tap on it. And go to All Services. Scroll down until you reach Autofill and Password section, and here tap on Autofill with Google. Scroll down and select Google Password Manager. So tap on the settings icon at the bottom right. Now turn on this toggle for offer to save passwords. Automatically create a passkey to sign in faster. This allows your phone to detect and save passwords when you log in. Now open any app or website you want to log into. Enter your username and password. Tap login. A pop-up will appear. Save password to Google. You can tap save. Your password will be stored in Google Password Manager. But if no pop-up appears, you also have an option to add a password manually. For that, tap on this account section at the bottom left corner and tap add password here. Now enter website or app name, username, password, and then tap save at the top right. Google might ask for fingerprint, PIN, pattern, or face unlock. This ensures only you can view or edit your saved passwords. And that's how you save your passwords using Google Password Manager on Android. Super helpful and secure. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below for your next tutorial request. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.